one and all who is present here, respected judges and my dear friends. My name is Adya Suresh. If you ever put successful on a pedestal and believe that they have something that you don't have, then you must listen to this poem by Edgar Albert Guest, Equipment. I'm sure it will change your mind. And the poem goes like this. Figure it out for yourself, my lad. Figure it out for yourself, my lad. Have all the greatest of men have had. To arms, to hands, to legs, to eyes, and a brain to use if you'd be wise. With this equipment, they all began. So start with the top and say I can. Look, they're all the wise and great. They take their food from a common plate, and similar knives and forks they use. With similar laces they tie their shoes. The world considers them brave and smart, but you have all they had when they made their start. You can train and come to skills. Can be great if only you will. You're well equipped. What fight you choose. You have legs and arms and a brain to use. And the man who has furnished great deeds to do began his life with no more than you. You are the handicap you must face. You are the one who must choose your place. You must say where you want to go, how much you will study the truth to know. God has equipped you for life. God has equipped you for life, but He lets you to decide what you want to be. Courage must come with the soul within, and the man who has furnished the will to win. So figure it out for yourself, my lad. You were born with all that the greatest of men have had. With your equipment, they all began. Get hold of yourself and say I can. Get hold of yourself and say I can. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.